Hi, what's up guys? It's me again and welcome back to Take Chapter. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you're searching for a possible way to record good audios for YouTube videos without external microphone within your pretty much hard to control background noise that you feel it's impossible to record any good audios, then I hope that this video will give you some tips on how to do that and motivate you to do it successfully. So let's get started. Well, let's say I live in a place where recording sometimes is made totally impossible. But this is what I do to make these videos be available for you guys. I didn't have any external microphone until 2018. I just tested buying that and used it for a few videos until I want to test out doing videos without it. So I feel that even without an external microphone, you can still get a good audio recording. And here are a few steps to record good audios without external mic. Step number 1. Get a good mindset about recording. Why do I put this step at the first on this list? I know you might be thinking that you can only get a good audio if you have a good external mic. Now, how about thinking that you can get good audios without an external mic? So, first step, let's set firmly that without having an external microphone, you can still record good audios. Step number 2, test and choose the best microphone apps for your phone. I'm not sure whether you're on Android or iOS, but here's the thing. You can always get a good audio recording app for mobile phones. Therefore, you're about to test and choose the best audio recording apps that best fit your phone. A few recommendation apps for Android from my personal experience are Easy Voice Recorder by DZPOM, Voice Recorder Noise Filter by BUnity Development, and Smart Voice Recorder by SmartMob. These are apps that I have tried with my audio recording process on my Android phone. Step number 3. Get a decent script for YouTube audio recording. Wait, until here, you think that you might be quitting. You think that it's too much for good audio recording. Please just don't. Just revive the step number 1. Get a good mindset about recording. The reason why I say that you should get a script just because you will learn scripting as well as preparing well for your audio recording. You will arrange things that you want to share in your videos easily. Alright? You can Google some good tips on how to get a killer script for YouTube videos and get some good sense there. You see, until here, this is the secret, but I haven't given it to you for free. Step number 4. Carrying out your recording process. Well, instead of talking blah 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 on how to record good audio without microphone, let me just demo it here for you guys. Alright, here's my Android phone, Samsung Galaxy S6, with a few audio recording apps on it. I have Easy Voice Recorder and Recorder's Noise Filter. So let's check them out. Hi guys. So now we'll just test out these audio recording apps on Android phone. This is the Easy Voice Recorder. And one of the good tips here that I want to tell you guys is when you're recording audios, choose the good time to do it so that you don't have a background noise. And later on when you're editing the audios, you don't have to cut off or don't have to do much of the noise reduction. Alright, so this is just testing. Hi guys, did I forget to tell you that after this recording, we'll go into a step on editing this audio. Well, to edit the audio for free, you can use Audacity. You can search, download, and install this app on your computer then. It might take a while to learn the preferences of this Audacity, but it will be quick. So let's test out noise reduction on Audacity. To do that, just load your audio in. Choose a part of your audio that your voice is not recorded. Now, go to Effect and choose Noise Reduction. Next, choose Get Noise Profile. Then, go back to the board and select All Audio. You can use Ctrl and A keys to do that. Now go to the noise reduction again and choose apply. You can test adjusting the reduction before applying this effect on all of your audios then. Last thing here, bonus tip for those who live under heavy background noise environment. Choose a good time to record your voice. Analyze working time of people around you. The rule of thumb is only record your voice when everyone is not making noise. Find this golden time for you. Another time, just prepare your script, learning around, or do some other works, guys. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you find this helpful, please share it with others and leave me a comment down below this video to let me know how useful this tutorial is. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support me more on this journey. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.